It was a beautiful day on the island of Sodor, and it's getting Sprite. Sprite! Melvin goes all a long way here. Driving goes beep beep. It's riding toilets everywhere. Chugga 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 chugga. Choo 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 choo. Oh! Beep beep. Woody and the fucking chola. His name is Woody, and he also is a fucking chola. Has a lovely day today this Christmas. Had a lovely Christmas break, guys. Happy New 1963! Ow, me head! Ding, ding, ding. Don't stir house! Don't stir house! Don't stir... Oh! Thomas the Tank Engine was thinking in the sky. Mud! But however, he'll fly off the tracks. Get to the water and splosh with tricks. In this day of Christmas Day was ruined Christmas. Let's go on the way. Shall we? Ow. Ow! Thomas the Stinky Mud Engine! Okay. I guess I'm gonna have to come. Take one. Whoa. Thomas the Tank Engine can't go anywhere because of. Oh no.
Sure that was the concrete wagon there, you know? What? Sure that was the concrete wagon?
I should tell you not to smoke in the room before I get. Oh! If I control climb into the big bonga stunk again. Okay. Hey! Hey, Woody. Hey! Hey, fat controller! What? Car! No. Oops. Try again. What do you mean car? What are you talking about? Oh, no! Car! Car? Wow! Here goes my 50 feet stunt! Okay, hey mate, since we're in the dark, what do you want to do? Well, really fun, mate. Ow! Now it's time to rage towards a very nice tailwind off. Pins. There we go. Ow! It really does hurt. Ow! Eventually open really tight to get out of here. Or like pinch yourself before you get pinned. Ouch! It really stings yourself by your pin. Hey, where you see your pin? So don't touch it. Ah! Oh! What is this? Pins! Where? Fair enough. I throw it. Ow! Oh, so sorry.
Oh, no, you don't mess up with daddy's stuff.
As the lovely punishment, it was the worst. It was the worst thing ever. Oh, wait. Hey, fucking toilet, I got run over your head. Uh-oh. What the? No, no car, no car. No car. No car! You see it? Ow. I am messing with the screws. Ow! 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 Ring, ring, bang, ring, bang. Oh! Tinko, timber construction screws. I'll throw this car and make it trash. Trash this car! Trash this car! Hey Thomas, can I have a screwdriver? Here we go, fucking Thomas. Oh, I missed. Missed again. Oh, I missed 3 times. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Ah! Join us again for our next adventure next year on Thomas and Friends. We will see you there. Goodbye, have a nice day.